Hi everyone, it's the month of August and upcoming is now for the next zodiac sign, and that's for you Virgos. Now for you Virgos, the month of August is like a ray of hope, actually bringing you a lot of support, a lot of good news, and it's washing away all the negativity and the obstacles that were holding you back on your charts for now. Now we just look at the next aspect, and that's for your careers. From the career perspective, it's great. You do get some good support coming your way, some good opportunities, some good projects coming your way. Now also it looks like some of you Virgos who are women or females, okay, and working in the job front, you do have some great communication with your bosses, especially if your bosses are females. So female colleagues having conversation with female bosses, it's going to be very a great time for you. It's going to be very supportive for you, and it does look like your bosses are really coming forward, doing a lot and supporting a lot. So keep a watch out for that as well. Now, from the business perspective also, it is a great month. It does see that you get some new opportunities coming away on the business front. Like you may add a new product, or you may make some changes to the current product that you're currently dealing with, and it will work in your favor. Your finances too are good and stable. It looks like profits are coming in. Now, from the career and the business perspective as well, any of you having relations with any foreign ties, okay, be it in the career or the business front, or even if you set ties with any foreign countries as well, now it will be profitable for you and bring you a lot more gain and profits. So you can look at that aspect as well from the business and from the finances as well. Your health too is even a lot more better. You start taking care of yourself from the month of August. Look at some self-love. Taking care of yourself is very important. And yes, it is also a month when you just have under the weather. You may have colds, cough, flus and headaches. Besides that, nothing major to worry about. From the family perspective also is good. Family comes together as well. Do take the support of your family. Any little decisions that need to be made, come together as a family and make decisions, and have very open and very clear-cut conversations with the family, and clean the air if anything was stuck on the family front as well. It is, yes, important for you to take care of yourself. Your relationships are good this month, and things are opening out for you from the month of August. As a remedy for you Virgos this month, you can do some donations of some orange sweets or maybe some orange fruits in religious places or among family, friends and little children. Try and wear some silver as well this month. Just hear some good music, do some calming, do some meditation, and do a lot more prayer from now onwards. I hope this is useful. Do not forget to share this with family and friends. I'm Sharon S. Monija. Thank you so much for being a part of my family. And if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let us stay connected for so much more in store.